welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Friends t-shirt. If you don't know what Friends is, well, it is basically a show that was really popular. And yeah, I've actually never watched the show Friends, so I kind of don't know why I'm making this video. But I just really wanted to make a shirt that looked like the Friends logo because I think they're super cute, and I just answered my own question. Today's question of the day is, what is your favorite TV show? And I also want you guys to leave me more assumptions you guys have about me because I really want to make an assumptions about me video, but I only have like 5 and it takes about 10 to make a decent video. So please comment down below more videos, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel so that we can reach 200 subscribers soon because I really want to hit 1,000, and you'll know why in the future. So yeah, let's get straight on to this video. So making this Friends t-shirt is actually quite simple. For the Friends t-shirt, you are obviously going to need a plain white t-shirt or a black t-shirt depending on what style of the shirt you're going for. I found this shirt super cheap at Walmart for about $5, which isn't that bad. It was probably less. If you go to Michael's, you can also use a coupon, so that is a really good steal. Then you're going to need some fabric paint. I like using the Tulip brand, but I also have some Scribbles paint and some regular puffy paint. If you don't have fabric paint, I definitely recommend purchasing the white puffy paint so that you can mix it in with acrylic paint. So if you mix white and any acrylic paint together, then that will sort of act as fabric paint. So yeah, this is a great alternative instead of purchasing all different colors of fabric paint. But you can obviously switch out these colors if you don't have them. I'm just doing this for the sake of the Friends logo. For the lettering, I'm going to be using a black marker, and this one is the Prisma colored marker. I'm kind of scared that this will kind of like wash out, but I think it will work since it's permanent, and you are going to be needing a pencil. So now let's move on to the first step of making your shirt. Since my shirt is not the most wrinkle-free shirt, I am going to take this over to the iron to iron the shirt just so that it's smooth, and it will make the process of writing the words and lettering and dots and the actual design a lot easier. So in order to put your iron to the right settings, you need to check the tag of your shirt in order to put it for the right fabric type. And as always, if you are underage, then definitely ask a parent for help when making these projects. Wow, I actually sound like a nice and informative video. So after your iron is ready, you can go ahead and iron your shirt. And I forgot to say this in the beginning, but you should wash your shirt after you purchase it just to make sure that it is nice and clean. And now iron your shirt like normal. I'm super bad at ironing shirts, and like my piano is right next to this, so kind of a struggle because no one likes to iron their shirts. And obviously you can you can just skip this step. Iron your shirts like normal. Iron your shirts like normal. Oh, I am a bad example of how you should iron your shirts. So after I finished ironing the shirt, I decided that I was going to place the Friends logo on it with the puffy paint / acrylic paint. So I searched up the Friends logo on Google and basically picked the first one that caught my eye. So I basically made the design look exactly like this. Well, not exactly. I tried my best. It did not. The font was probably the hardest part to do about this logo. So I sketched it out with pencil first because I knew for sure that I was not going to write Friends straight. If I had done this without a ruler, it would have been everywhere. So then I went in with Prisma-colored markers. However, I then realized that I actually had a black fabric marker, so use fabric markers instead because Prismacolors are not the best when designing shirts, so just letting that out there. So then I went in with the fabric paint and started coloring the dots so that it looks exactly like the logo. So I used red and yellow, and then I was running out of blue puffy paint, so for this I got out my toothpicks and my acrylic paint, and I mixed in some blue acrylic paint with white puffy paint so that it kind of acts as fabric paint, and I traced the dots like I did with the rest of the colors. So after the paint was done, I let it dry up for about 24 hours.
24 hours later.
And here's me basically modeling the shirt for you guys. And yeah, So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys try out some of these DIYs. I will be posting this on my Pinterest account, so go follow me there. If you subscribe by clicking down below, and also watch my previous video, which will be right there. And yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe so that we can get to 200 subscribers. Bye!